I talked to probably 200 agents last year, and they're all like, I don't have any help. They either need help growing their business, or they need help negotiating a contract, or they need help answering a weird question. For me, I've just been here to support. We would not be where we are without our systems in place, but at this point, we've got a couple different phone lines that people can call into depending on what their problem is. So if they need help with contracts, we send them over to our transaction coordinators. If they need help writing their first contract, I usually will sit down with them and walk through the structure. We'll record that conversation so that they can refer back to it. If they're needing negotiation help, if they need help with a legal issue, all that stuff kind of happens either in Slack or on that phone line. But we have 10 managing brokers who are available to the agents. We have a kind of a running list of people that we check in with. We do one-on-ones usually about quarterly with all of our agents. So we reach out and schedule those and go through Zillow metrics. We go through, if they're using their calendars or their follow-up bosses, we give them a little bit of coaching there. We do 3 agent-focused workshops a week. It's called our agent workshop. It's either buyer strategy, offer strategy, listing strategy, or how to grow your business. We have one that's based on tech. So tech workshop that's, we have follow-up boss come on pretty regularly to give us best practices. And then we have another one that's focused on Zillow. So it's all about Zillow strategies. How do you convert the call? How do you take a call? We actually listen to a few of them and kind of dissect them. So sometimes it's an interesting call. Sometimes it's a really good call. Sometimes it's like, what could we have done better?